Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Melinda. Today I have a video that is about DNCO. I will pull up all the information in a minute. If you don't know what DN Company is, it's a subscription service like Nia West and others. It's a clothing subscription where you get like 2 outfits and maybe like a jewelry or accessory piece. What else? Their clothes, I swear, I'm a 16, 18 to at least maybe a 20 in some brands, and their clothes run big. I got talked into joining their subscription service and stuff like that. The only thing that really fit me is this Mark NY leggings. The only thing that really truly fitted were those. What they sent me in this box from Mark NY, Yara Flyaway cardigan, Jamaica High jean shorts, Julia tank top by Active Zone, DF Plus Dex Plus white t-shirt, and a Bila fringe necklace. Necklaces like that you can find on Amazon. You can get 4 for the price of 1. 4. Like, they usually range on Amazon from like $9 to $12. It's like purely insanity. Why pay $30 for 1 necklace when you can get 4 for the price of 1 on Amazon? I've seen it. I've showed my mom that on there. Plus, a lot of times I see from Torrid, their clothing are on sale, or like they have the birthday cash and stuff like that. Like, you can get I got 2 shirts for the price of 1 from Torrid. It's like, it's ridiculous. Why pay like $30 to $70 for 1 piece of clothing when you can go to Torrid and pay anywhere from 30 plus bucks for an item? It doesn't make sense. Like, I just sent back. I kept the card or the info because I got in these shorts. They're Celebrity Pink Sullivan rolled shorts, medium wash. I originally got a size 18. I switched them because the waistband was gigantic in the back. I've tried them on with a belt and without a belt. The only way they would work is with a belt, and I didn't want to pay out the ass for them. And you know what? Plus, I've seen plus size clothes in TJ Maxx too, as well. I've seen. Like, I've got a dress a couple years back from TJ Maxx that, I forget, $25. That was worth it. Because it has like a built-in bralette type thing inside it for that. I just don't really like spending a whole lot of money, a whole lot of coin on clothes when I'll probably just wear them. I have favorite clothing, then I have clothing like I'll switch around, like leggings with a graphic tee, printed leggings with a non-printed tee. You know, like, it's worthless to pay out the ass, very out the ass to spend 170 plus bucks on 2 outfits. It's insane. It's purely insane. Plus, on top of all this, I go thrifting a lot. I do. I have a habit of thrifting, rummage sales, stuff like that is my jam. It's my thing. It's my favorite stuff. It is. I just don't like to spend that kind of money. If it, in a perfect world, mind you, if I have the money, the clothing fit correctly, where the band or the waist fit perfectly, I'd buy it. Like, I'm just a person that likes to save money and splurge on certain products versus paying $180 on one or on 2 outfits and accessory. You know, my mom put in a dispute through PayPal about this. Yes, my mom did. And mind you, I do not live alone. I live with my parents still, but things are changing. You know, like I just updated my room a little bit because it was bland and boring in the background. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this. If you found this interesting, learned maybe something more about places where to shop, if you want more of this kind of content, thumbs this video up. Thumbs it up. I'll come back with a more in-depth videos like this, a lot like this. You know, I will. I'll bring this back if you thumbs it up to, let's say, 100, 50 to 100. Thumbs it up. I hope you enjoyed it. For now, bye.